me and Shavik had differences of opinion. We had
Yes.
creative differences.
Creative
So,
differences.
yeah, because we were thinking I was thinking I am creative. He was thinking he's creative. So,
And then we both are, oh shit, we are both not creative.
both not creative. So then.
Hey, hello guys. Yes, we are the same people. I know a lot of people might have forgotten about us, like all the 10 people that she uses.
Who remembered?
Who remember us. So, welcome to the SFC 15, a podcast in which we talk about stand-up football and cricket. My name is Shovik, and we have Anil here. We finally got our Zoom passwords back, guys. We were banned from Zoom because Zoom people were like, dude, you are doing a podcast in which just only 4 people are joining in. We don't want to waste our bitrate on you. Or anything on you.
We don't want to waste our bandwidth on you.
Yeah, and also the server space. We don't want anything what you do, like the shittiest thing that we don't want anything on our servers. Please delete them. So that is why it took us time. No, it was not. We were just lazy and we were just, you see how much
No,
hair.
actually, the thing is that, guys, now. No, and Shavik has lost weight, by the way, guys. So
all the 10 people who watch this, they already know that, but still, it's yeah, just use the nice.
I want to keep it out in the open, guys. So me and Shavik had differences of opinion. We had creative differences. So, yeah, because we were thinking I was thinking I am creative. He was thinking he's creative. So
and then we both are, oh shit, we are both not creative.
Both not creative. So then we decided.
Yeah, it's the Beatles. This is like how Beatles.
In reverse.
Again we joined. It's like again we joined.
So we were just the breakup before Beatles became Beatles.
Yes.
So that's
the biggest.
Except that Beatles was formed in Liverpool. Then they went to world tour. Yeah. Then they came back. Then they broke. Right? Yeah. We are still not even in Liverpool basically, but we just broke. Then we came back. This is a reunion.
Yeah, like how people say that, always dream big. We dreamt big.
Dream big.
We are in Hyderabad. We are still thinking we have ruled the world, and then we broke up. Okay, but that's not.
We've done that's not. Guys, we had some, amazing. We've done. I think what this is. We don't even remember the episode number for this podcast because we're so busy.
They're so busy, and also as a viewer, you are also so much keen to know. Oh my God, what is the episode number and all, because shit, nobody cares. Nobody cares. So let us talk about the only thing that we're talking from the last.
Hey, are we talking about stand-up?
Let's talk about stand-up a bit. Let's talk about stand-up. Stand-up we are doing a lot of shows. Okay, that's not the scene. We are doing a show. These people are doing a show. That we broke off. That is why these people are doing a show on 11th, and I am not doing it.
It's not part of the lineup, guys.
Comedy mein, there is some lot of things happening. Like I know a lot of people have heard 1,500 articles on this, that Dave Chappelle and all that kind of stuff happened. So we like अभी क्या ही बोलेंगे Dave Chappelle के बारे में हम लोग. But I
don't think
बोलने जितने लायक नहीं है. But still there is one clause करते हैं. Like I know so Dave Chappelle कैसा रहता है, not they cannot cut anything from anything that is like any special office.
Okay.
So the contract is like he will say anything, and Netflix has to they don't have they don't have any creative opinion on that.
No, that's what, no censorship basically.
No censorship, like whatever he feels, he will. Okay, this is good, and they have to go ahead and
agree. That's it.
That is why I think, like usually in a comedy process also, like I know you're Dave Chappelle and all, you cannot write 4 comedy specials in 4 years. Like like abhi just pravachan, which is like it's like a huge open mic, which he's doing right now. Sometimes some are not polished enough.
I agree. Yeah. But I mean, you can't really
Dave Chappelle. So he's like, dude, I created comedy, and I'm like, you are also messing it up. But
he's the GOAT. He's the OG.
But I saw the set that you like. Again, as a viewer, it was a little bit like, again, if you don't understand Dave Chappelle, like again, his humor is always like that, and now his humor is more on the on that kind of on the face. Like
it's trying more philosophical and more opinion oriented.
Yeah, and he's trying to provoke you from every side. and because he has already a very, like कैसा वो तो 25-30 साल का
filtered set of audience.
हाँ
भाई 30 साल कम से कम.
30 साल. So he's not caring enough. So, and with that not caring enough only coming is the content. That is why people are like, okay, you have to think little bit. But he's saying, I'm Dave Chappelle. I'm not like, I don't care about Netflix also. So please. Then talking about
any which ways, to be honest and to be fair on his part, I would just be happy just to go and see him on the stage, let alone the show and the experience. So and that was pretty much the case with the show.
Need a visa to go to US.
Yeah, exactly. And also
viewer, you can do that for us. You can just
sponsor. You can give us some super chats and stuff.
Sponsor us so that we can go to US to watch Dave Chappelle live.
And by the way, that reminds me, on Netflix, okay, there's another amazing show. I'm not sure if you guys seen that. So there's a comedian called Bo Burnham.
Yeah, of course.
So he has a special called Inside.
Yes, he directed everything on.
He directed Inside That Closed Room, wrote, directed, edited, sang, released, produced, everything.
Only Netflix was like, we could have done some packaging at least. No, you don't have. I will do.
No packaging. The only thing Netflix did was licensing to its name. That is it.
They just kept the logo. So we'll keep the logo at least.
Netflix is a Netflix original special. That's all.
Or they just gave that because we editors, they gave the video file of that Tidum. And then they're like, I'll add it in the front and I'll upload it.
And Bo said, "Yaar, tum mat karo. You don't spoil my file."
I'll do everything.
And then they did it.
Oh my God.
अच्छा भाई साहब, तो क्या किया जाए? बताइए सर. अभी this is in stand-up. Any
stand-up is over. Cricket. Let's talk about cricket a little bit.
Cricket में guys, Rahul Dravid is the coach.
The world has turned upside down. हम लोग मतलब हमने बहुत ही अच्छा उम्दा वर्ल्ड कप खेला है. Umda World Cup we played, like कितना अच्छा World Cup, like remember the T20 World Cup
मतलब भाई पाकिस्तान के साथ जो खेला हमने मतलब
I'll talk about Pakistan wala thing because usually I went out with my friends, like my friends came from Bombay and all. We went out to watch the match. We were all sports fans. We all went to watch the match and we were like we picked up a nice space and all. We went there and we invested like we paisa diya sab kuch diya 5,000 ka bill kiya and we said let's watch the match, and then 33 for 5.
Then we watched the match. Yeah,
and then it was like and that wahan us taraf wicket gaya bhi nahi, like dude this is like, and then uske baad and then all that like literally T20 mein, like that is what happens in, I don't know what happened, and then the same New Zealand team came to India and we like destroyed them from left, right and center, like because Indian pitch, like, and that is at home. And now again now South Africa is coming and Virat Kohli is not the captain anymore.
Virat Kohli has been sacked as the captain.
Has been sacked like Ole. At least Ole had a choice, but Virat Kohli has also no choice because Rahul Dravid is like, I don't know if Rahul Dravid has the power to remove Virat Kohli or it was just Jay Shah or Amit Shah who was like,
I don't know. By the way, BCCI president is Dada, dude, and I'm pretty sure Rahul Dravid is
sure Dada is in the dressing room right now. I'm telling you, I will do everything that
I will do everything. Yeah. So
like, just imagine how Dada is so swaggier. Like South Africa में the third variant of like the third wave, like Bhumi ka ho raha hai, and now the South Africa team is coming to tour. Like India is like world is telling you don't go, like anything coming from Africa don't take, and Dada is like, no, we'll play cricket, not a big deal.
Of course we will. And we built Narendra Modi Stadium to क्या ऐसी थोड़ी बनाया फिर
all the views expressed here of the name.
Come on yaar, what is this? A बढ़िया stadium, and I think the best choice is that you give the name the most deserving person. I think Narendra Modi Stadium makes perfect sense, man. Absolutely, the biggest stadium in the world. It's I don't think it's. What are you saying? I think it's the most deserving. Do you have a difference of opinion?
No, we cannot. Sorry, we should not.
We should not. What are you saying?
What is difference of opinion? What is opinion?
What is opinion? That's what I'm saying. Just.
So that's happening in cricket, and also other series are happening like Pakistan, Bangladesh. Like we don't care about that. So
Oh, चल रहा है. Wow.
now the third and most important thing, the thing for which we arrange this Zoom call.
Like 9 out of 10 viewers watch this for.
10 viewers who are coming here. It's a football thing, guys.
So let's put it in a different way. Let's brand it differently. So let us say from our analytics guys, from our video analytics, from a viewerships point of view. Okay. So this is the part where we have 90% of the age group, 90% of our target audience is watching this particular section.
This particular segment.
Yeah. So yeah, sorry, sir. Go ahead.
90% is the zero part, not the 90. The zero part. So let's talk about football. And the latest news is news like we are.
What are you talking? So guys, it's the happiest day today.
Happiest day for Bayern Munich.
because for third consecutive time they have thrashed Barcelona. They've thrashed at home. They've thrashed away. They can thrash in neutral.
They can thrash at in water. They can go to Abu Dhabi and also
in warm up also. In warm up also they can. In net practice they will thrash. In PlayStation they will thrash.
Like they're thrashing everything. Like yesterday, let's talk about the match. Okay, so when the Champions League, the commentary was happening, they have like 25 matches. In the last 25 matches, Bayern Munich has scored around like insane number of goals.
Like 2,500 goals.
Like because Lewandowski
has scored.
Lewandowski I'll kill him. And they're playing
2 for 99 goals out of them.
Yeah, and they're playing with German league where 9-0 is common because the other team
that too at halftime.
It's a school team.
Yeah,
they don't
exactly.
even know why they're in the league. So
the referee got confused after 9-0. Halftime whistle that was full time. Then they got confused. 45 minutes.
So they came with that tactic, and we went with that tactic to Bayern Munich, and
tactic?
First,
that's a bold claim to make, huh?
Yes, sorry.
When there with the tactic, it's a bold claim.
Bayern Munich was like, we'll just warm up. And they did that, and dude, the match, like in the commentary also, how they were speaking, like commentators also have given up on Barcelona, like they have given up on us, and like we read okay, like Xavi is trying his because the Koeman era, like which was no tactics, which was like that guy destroyed Barcelona forever, and Laporta also is not team akela kara. But that guy, the mentality is such right now, it will take at least a season or two to get back to a winning mode. Like at least having a winning mindset. And
exactly.
Xavi can bring all these rules, come before trade, before playing, have a 1.5 hour training, leave sweets, leave your phone.
Leave your wife, leave your home, leave your kids, leave your country.
Everything. But the problem is they have a lot of people have left Barcelona. The people who are left with Barcelona, apart from leaving, they have no other choice. Like wordplay, guys. So let's literally I don't know, oh god, yesterday, you can see the retirement phase of Gerard Piqué. Like literally, एक जगह पे ऐसा ठहरा था.
Given up.
Like with his stomach outside. I'm like, dude, what the hell is this? And then Busquets.
Honest.
Busquets.
Sergio Busquets.
Dude, I guess he was acting more than Neymar yesterday. And he, because these players have, the problem is the players that we have, the few good players that we have, they have been with prime Barcelona team. Like, oh my god,
that thing that
remember those documentaries that were made on us, like take the ball, pass the ball,
pass the ball,
pass the ball to Messi. Like
that's it.
So with Abhi, we are taking the ball, but we don't have.
We are passing the ball. We don't know where
the ball, but then there is no one to take the ball and hit it as a goal. That's the difference.
There's no Messi. There's no Neymar. There's no Suarez. There's no Griezmann.
So पहले एक था कि we were the most lethal attacking team. like attackers, मतलब world का सबसे 3 जबरदस्त attackers, like
अपने पास थे, and 3 best midfielders also, Iniesta,
yes,
Xavi
and कौन था वो? Busquets. हाँ, तो all these players are there. And उसके बाद so अभी there is no striker. अभी like Gerard Piqué is a striker,
acting striker, yeah, interim striker.
Like he's really acting. Like that is what the problem is. But dude, so how can Xavi now do anything? Like again, we are out of Champions League. Like okay, एक जमाने में हम लोग Champions League semi-final में, like at least semi-finals में हारते थे जाके, which was like last year or 2 years before. अभी हम लोग group stage में ही हार गए.
Like, so this I'm telling you as a Barca fan, it's the happiest day because now finally, we can show domination in Europe. European domination was missing for past 2-3 years. Now we can dominate Europe. We can win treble this year.
Yeah.
We can win, and I'm telling you, we can win Europa League.
Yes.
We can win Copa del Rey League 2.
Yeah.
Then we can win Super Catalonia Division 2. So these are all trophies.
Yeah, and we can also win like Barcelona and some basic league that they have in their own league, like La Masia League.
Yeah, we can win La Masia.
La Masia League they can win. Yeah, I guess that is also
we can win, bro. but okay, now one question to you. Let's discuss the most popular opinion. Okay. Apparently, this is the stat. The last time Barcelona played in Europa League was in 2003 and 4. Okay. That season.
Right.
2004, Leo Messi joins Barcelona. Then Barcelona evolved, and from 2004 to 2021, Barcelona never played in Europa League. This year, Messi leaves. Barca are playing again Europa. So, do you really think Messi did have that impact, or was the team built around Messi? Or Messi का मतलब इतना बड़ा impact है? Or is it the managers, or how is it? Or the Barca DNA is missing? It was it like a one-man dependency?
After a point of time, yes. Like the peak Barcelona team had no Messi. Like the peak Barcelona team is 2008 to 2010, 11.
9-10, yeah.
Yeah, that was everybody was a good player. Everybody was like the lethal.
Every department was good.
Every department was the best. Like coach se leke everything was the best. Like that made a nice foundation. And after a point of time, when people started leaving to China and all this, those leagues. So
Japan,
everything became around Messi, and literally for the last 5 years, it was around Messi. Around Messi, it was around those Suarez, it was around those players. It was all around those players, and that actually right now, like you saw everything that happened after Messi left. Right now, we don't have anything. Like we don't have a good team right now.
We don't even have T-shirt sales.
That's this is I don't know what to duplicate it, but it is written Barca. And iske baad I will take atonement and all that. 3 times I said Barca. So that's the problem. Like abhi kaise hai wo to, like we are in 7th in La Liga, like 7th.
Yeah, which is at
like
least we are in the top 10. I mean, come on.
Top 10, and there are 10 teams in Spain. It's not even like Premier League. 10 top 7.
Like 7 teams are top 7. Actually,
above 6 are like a legendary 100-year-old clubs. Like Villarreal, or like all these are like I don't know, Real Valladolid. All these teams are above us. So now, okay, practically speaking, as a Barcelona fan, it will take if this will take around a season. This season is gone.
Gone.
This is gone. We need.
Okay, quick question there, just to interrupt. What do you think? See, let alone Europe and something else. What do you think? See, we were a team. Fortunately, okay, let us be honest about it. We are lucky enough that we were playing in Spain as a mediocre team.
Yeah.
What was the most lethal attacking team? I think to some extent even Real were. क्यों बोलने से, even if you don't do that well because of Barca and Real, that status and that little bit of thing,
right,
we made sure we were in top 4.
Correct.
Always. Real का भी जब Ronaldo गया, they had a bad season. Right. They got out of, but they made to top 4. They were 2nd, 3rd or something.
Right, because
last year
for Real Madrid and Barcelona, bad season was because sorry.
Can we make top 4 this season? So we are, I think, 17-18 games into the season.
Yeah, we cannot. Okay, with the team yesterday, that how we were like, okay, I know it's like 3 or 4 matches in Xavi. We cannot actually tell. He doesn't have. Again, we cannot. ऐसा भी नहीं बोल सकते कि अभी Xavi कुछ कर मतलब we can turn around things this way. But
एक बात मैं honestly
I
बोलूं,
don't think
Savi
that we'll get a 4th place in this league. We'll not get it.
5th?
Yeah, we may 5th or 6th में. But 5th में बहुत मतलब it has to be a great turn. Like we don't have that. Like who is the biggest difference? Like who will be the big difference in this team? Like, who will create a difference?
See, I'll tell you one thing. Dembele, भाई को तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, they are just paying him, मतलब सिर्फ उसको हॉस्पिटल में रखने के लिए खरीदे हैं डेम्बेले को.
Yes. और हमारे हॉस्पिटल ऑलरेडी लाइक हमारे टीम में आके वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर को हार्ट प्रॉब्लम आ गया है. He has left football forever.
He is retired. One of the best strikers in the world.
Like literally, I was like,
जो मैनचेस्टर सिटी को यूनाइटेड के खिलाफ ट्रॉफी जितवाया प्रीमियर लीग,
उसको हम लोग
वो अपने पास आके
वहां से लेके आए, वहां से प्रीमियर लीग से उठा के यहाँ लेके आए, and then
he has a heart ailment.
He has left football. He has left football now.
I think heart attack तो उसको पहले आएगा because Messi left. That he is his best friend. तो आता तो heart attack उसको उधर ही आया. But dude, okay, now see, we've become like, honestly speaking, we have become like that Arsenal, Manchester United kind of thing only, where we are deteriorating.
Yeah, but Manchester United also, because Manchester United क्या था वो David Moyes जब था देखो, like just after Ferguson. But उसमें भी क्या था वो तो again
10 महीने टाइम दिए थे उसको वैसे.
Yeah, the only thing was उसमें क्या था वो तो actually the team was old, like team was very old.
Yeah.
We had passed like उसका time prime हो गया था, Giggs was like हो गया था, Randy हो गया था, but at least नाम थे like Rooney, Giggs and all, these were big names.
Big names.
अभी इसमें like who is it, like we have to sign somebody like सब कुछ एक बड़ा कुछ.
That is my other question to you. Now that you tell me honestly, we are fans, okay, that is fine, but as a football viewer, as a global watcher, because we watch all the leagues and stuff, we have a fair idea.
Yeah.
How attractive is Barcelona right now for any big player to come and sign? When I say big, see, Man United was not doing very good, okay, but they still managed to sign Ronaldo. They still managed to sign Sancho. They are decent signings. Okay, dude, it was always attractive.
Manchester United seed is different because the only thing was they had great players. Like again,
but they didn't win trophies. Yeah, I know.
Harry Maguire, ये सब जो players है, ये लोग ऐसा नहीं कम छोटे player नहीं है. Like they have
Rashford
है. उसके बाद उनका अपना
David De Gea, goalkeeper.
ये लोग पूरे like they are good players.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then the only thing was they were not able to find a sync. Like sync कैसा हुआ तो maybe the coaching was not good or the players थोड़ा.
Yeah. The coaching was.
Now they have bought a deep. This guy will take some time, but they have bought a who can bring results. The only अभी कैसा हुआ तो ऐसा team नहीं है. Like ऐसा कुछ team ही नहीं है बार्सिलोना में अभी. So there is nothing.
No, not even team. देख अभी
so
team
who will bring? What will you think? Like no, there is star coach नहीं है. Okay, coach को Xavi को ठीक है, Xavi is kind of something you want, but then there are no good players.
देख अब मैं honestly एक बात बोलूं, Manchester United was able to attract Ronaldo and stuff. ठीक है, Arsenal का I don't know, but अभी say someone if we want to sign literally like a star player, okay? देख Aguero last year आया because Haaland तो भाई छोड़ दे.
वो भाई
रियल अटैक
लिख के भी नहीं. देखो जिस लीग में रियल है, जिस लीग में रियल है, वहां like star signing everything is going there. Like,
Galacticos there. But see, Real are realistically targeting Mbappe. So ये जनवरी में या एंड ऑफ सीजन पक्का Mbappe इधर आने वाला है. Either on a free transfer या फिर कुछ तो पैसा में, ठीक है. तो Haaland immediately वहां नहीं आएगा for sure because Real also have some financial crunches to some extent.
1 billion debt.
Yeah. But Barcelona say let's just assume Haaland जैसा player, अगर Mbappe आया तो अपन को Barcelona would do the same. We need someone. Haaland तो realistically not even expect, but someone like
possible.
कि भाई कुछ एक decent some nice center back we want to sign, some nice, you know.
अभी कैसे वो तो we would like, अभी कैसे वो तो
even a player like Wijnaldum, would he be coming? Is it attractive? Barcelona, is it attractive?
No, attractive नहीं है. Like people are not excited. People are not like people are not excited to be like, अरे should I'll go. Yeah, name is big, but I'll go under Xavi and work. Oh my God, like I'll ऐसा नहीं है.
Jack Grealish, Aston Villa छोड़ के City क्यों गया? Because he wanted to win trophies, he wanted to play Champions League. It is aspiration. Harry Kane wanted to leave Tottenham for the same thing.
He's not able to leave.
He's not able to leave, but for obvious reasons. But like Maguire भी Leicester छोड़ के Man United आया, all these things happen. But ऐसा कोई है right now? Do you think if a player wants to step up his game or a player wants to step up his life, do you think going to Barcelona is the solution to him? But or are Barcelona again stuck?
The only thing is, if you want to step up, you go to a team which is winning or which has a chance of winning.
Exactly.
Like.
Not with just has some legacy or what.
Yeah, from City, like Pep Guardiola. Pep Guardiola के साथ में like I want to be coached with him. That's a great thing.
Like Pep Guardiola, Tuchel.
Yeah, same. The reason Harry Kane is staying. Tottenham is staying. Harry Kane is staying only for the Conte. Conte can make. If Conte took Inter Milan and then it changed it. Like, so this guy can
exactly.
So
he can do wonders.
As a star coach, like we don't know what Xavi can do. And also, very great player at his peak. Like player, so Koeman भी बहुत अच्छा player था. Dutch player बहुत अच्छा था. Player तो बहुत अच्छा था, but
player तो Diego Maradona भी अच्छा था, but as a coach he never worked.
Let's not discuss about that. Late Diego Maradona.
So that's what happened with Frank Lampard. See, I'll tell you one thing. Okay, there are very, very, very less people who've played very good as a player. They've been very successful as a coach. Zidane, Cruyff, Cruyff also. Zidane, Cruyff. Pirlo didn't work out. Frank Lampard didn't work out. Solskjaer didn't work out. ऐसा बहुत examples. Koeman didn't work out.
बहुत didn't work out. अरे ये क्या अभी gigs भी try करा था कहीं भी, like after
gigs was Wales के लिए, हाँ
वो भी नहीं हुआ. नहीं होता है.
So, but that is the thing. So I think, see, I am not honestly in this kind of situation. So we both remember the time when Liverpool thrashed us 4-0 जब Champions League return game में. We were so heartbroken. But today, I am not sure about you, but I am not heartbroken because I knew.
Yesterday when I see right now what we are right now, we are like Arsenal. We have become an Arsenal stock. The problem is the only reason we are not इतना scene नहीं क्या अभी तक with the seventh that we are right now, we are in that range. अभी Arsenal कैसा था वो तो because in seventh in Premier League was a good thing because you have 6 top teams.
6 top teams, yeah.
यहाँ 7th बोले तो really playing very bad, like really very bad.
Dude, Sevilla is on top of you.
Yeah, like really. मतलब okay, so अभी सोचो. So
and Real is on top of the league, by the way.
Yeah, Real is Real. उसको Real Betis है second. Like really, do you know the team Real Betis or something? Like they are.
You don't even know who's the coach.
I don't even want to know. Like who. So
I understand.
Yeah. So अभी कैसे बोलते either we need a great coach.
But I don't think that's practically
possible because people like okay only there's some they will find some coach bro. कहीं जर्मनी से कहीं ऐसा जो like this who the अपना Ragnar क्या है नाम इसका
Ralf Ragnick
who invented nobody knew like he was a manager of managers so
yeah
only niche following है जो मतलब आपका टीम को मतलब कहाँ से क्या कर सकता like he has like अभी कैसा वो तो we need a coach who has been like a tough taskmaster kind of a thing who can bring something best out of these players for this season, make us understand okay it is like we have to think like a winner now, and then from maybe in the next
कैसे देख Coutinho regular नहीं है Ansu Fati no not really I'm not being having great impact बस Memphis Depay भाई स्टूडियो में गाने मस्त गा रहे हैं और Frankie de Jong's not playing well. Gerard Piqué, you've seen.
Gerard Piqué striker है अभी. Like.
Gerard Piqué striker है अभी. So you really don't know what is the kind of,
what is
where are we?
Who will come? Like I don't know. Like and all the things that we were thinking ये जो बुड्ढे players उनको लेके आएंगे, वो लोग कुछ turn around कर देते होंगे. But that's not happening, dude. That's not happening.
See, and the other thing, let me tell you one thing very honestly. Okay, so I read this. A lot of players.
Or else we have to do one thing. You have to go you have to go and beg beg PSG, please give this man back to us, please. हमको ये चाहिए.
But that man will also not come. No, that man is heartbroken now. That man will clearly say, that man has said, I will come in a technical director role.
अरे अभी टेक्निकल डायरेक्टर काई को भाई हमारे को थोड़ा जिताओ, because literally nobody knows how to take this pass the ball तो हो रहा, but nobody knows where to take this ball.
Take the ball.
So please, so we either we need a great coach like who is like Conte kind of thing, this coach like ऐसा coach.
See, Conte is
देखो कॉन्टे टाइप कोच टाइप बोला मैं, मतलब मे बी ऐसा जो इटालियन लीग में कोई ऐसा टफ टास्क मास्टर काइंड ऑफ.
अभी the other thing is, see, टॉटनहम का हालत कैसा हुआ, पोचेटिनो के साथ उनका ये हो गया था थोड़ा सा बीच में, आफ्टर दैट स्टैग्नेंट हो गया था. They brought in Mourinho who's not a very attacking kind of coach.
Right.
ठीक है, डिफेंसिव में गए वो लोग, वो स्टाइल ऑफ प्ले पसंद नहीं आया वो. Then they brought Nuno who was just time pass.
They brought one guy, Nuno.
बस उसके बाद में they brought in Conte. Okay, now Conte के साथ also it's not that Conte plays one of the most attractive types of football. Conte is also with a back three system.
Yeah.
Legendary, but not very, एकदम ताड़ फाड़ करके नहीं.
But the problem Conte has got, like Conte कैसा रहता है वो तो I like first he comes and वो एक उसका एक already, because he's a very great coach. So अभी he has this,
and proven, by the way. Okay, proven.
Yeah, proven coach.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Who takes teams right which are in the drain, मतलब गटर से सीधा उठा के एक साल में चैंपियन.
हाँ से मतलब चैंपियन. तो अभी कैसा है and with तो अभी अगर ऐसा कोच है तो अभी खर्चा भी कराएगा, ऐसा नहीं अभी तक तो खर्चा नहीं करा.
बिल्कुल भाई, फिर कॉन्टे पे
कॉन्टे खर्चा करा था सबसे.
बिल्कुल,
नहीं तो नहीं चाहिए तो निकल जाता. Like that is
that is Conte. Don, he's the Italian Don. See, I'm telling you ना, अगर you search for a flashback, इटली में एंटोनियो कॉन्टे कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो माफिया का ही काम करके, you see his passion on the touchline, dude. Oh my god, वो तो अगर गुस्सा है ना, I am scared. ऑफिशियल को शूट कर देगा वो. I will kill him. I prefer to kill him. I'll kill him.
और like because अभी कैसा वो तो ऐसा कोच है, तो अभी कैसा वो तो अभी like how Bielsa is.
हाँ.
How Bielsa is. That team is like उनका जो training, what we hear, like how training happens at that team. Leeds में कैसा रहता वो तो like it's legendary. Like people are like,
yes.
Oh my God, like how that happens बोल के. Yeah, results नहीं आ रहे, team अच्छा नहीं है, वो सब है, but वो भी है. But the problem is at least okay, they want like अभी कैसा we need someone like that person who can come and then
like a Don basically जाके प्लेयरों को एकदम भरी हरी. So
either player ले तो ऐसा जो लामासिया जाके या कहीं से जाके players को लेके आ सके और cheaper rates and all this kind of stuff, and then
but,
build a team like that. It's impossible. And then maybe next year if not Messi or Suarez, somebody they have to bring back. It is not happening.
Suarez is not coming, dude. जिस तरह का farewell उसको मिला,
farewell नहीं मिला.
Is not coming. वो नहीं मिला. Exactly.
That's the problem.
Griezmann is gone on loan.
Griezmann was never a perfect choice for Barcelona because
Barca.
नहीं कभी भी नहीं था वो.
But अभी दूसरी बात, the other thing that I'll tell you, okay. I read this a lot of managers like big great managers like Ancelotti, फिर अपना Mourinho हो गया, Guardiola हो गया, even Klopp and all that thing. They always tell that to win a league is different. You have 38 matches. Even with a so-so team, you can still go at like Leicester won it, and ऐसे teams जीते हैं like Lille won it last year, PSG. But to win Champions League, you need experience. You need someone that match winner, that ekdam tagda, not just a good man. And that's why if you see with all due respect, man, to Messi won the Ballon d'Or and everything, we know that, we are very happy for that. He deserves it, I think. Okay, this year he deserves it. He played really well with the Copa America. But Ronaldo ka difference you see, right? Manchester United, in all those 6 games that they've played, okay, Ronaldo har bar, it was Ronaldo who saved United.
Yeah. Right.
Although Juventus failed in that thing, Real में whenever he was there, Real में भी Champions League में Ronaldo never failed. Juventus के साथ भी Champions League में he never failed. Even with United in Champions League, he's never, because in Champions League you need that, because you need to play like a champion.
Yeah, you need. Hamish में कैसा वो तो, now you're playing with the best. like
you're playing with the best, exactly.
The best and all, and usually कैसा और तब उनका क्या था, जब उनका actual वो जो stardom है,
caliber दिखता,
caliber, and why these people are so big, then it comes out. Okay, this is why they are like this. Usually क्या था league, and okay, first hats off to Ronaldo for the decision that he has taken. Like at this age,
he's killing it in the Premier League, dude.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, like the team is not support, like literally you can see कि अभी कहते बहुत कुछ difference है United में कि paper में this is the best team that you can get on the paper.
But I think there's too much talk on everything, dude. So they don't really know. No, Rashford के पास ball आया तो Rashford wants to score. Fernandes पे आया तो Fernandes wants to score.
It's like the KKR syndrome.
Exactly.
Everybody wants to, like now with the coach that they have, at least the feeling is कि okay, this guy knows to take the start of the players and then bring okay, अभी खेलो ऐसा, you have to play like this, you have to do this, only then you will be able to. अभी क्या सब लोग को तो Ole were the good boy, good factor thing कि
Ole was like going to the dressing room, giving them a nice pep talk. Ole just telling, oh come on guys, have nice fun, we'll see you at dinner.
that happened because जब David Moyes आया, उसके बाद David Moyes को हार गए पूरी तरह से, and then when Jose Mourinho came in, अभी कैसा था वो तो Jose Mourinho was never fit for United. Like he changed the dressing room टूट गया, बहुत कुछ हो गया, so there was no, अभी the position right now कैसा है वो तो अभी ऐसा है हमारा, like just.
But contrary to that, you know, I wanted to see Mourinho more there, because at least he had that thing कि he had to went out with the players, even though you lose the dressing room, you need to कि अभी पहला time ऐसा कैसा था ना, there was no hardly. See, dude, Fergie kicked Beckham on his face, dude, and Beckham had to leave for Real. So I'm telling the point that, you know, and ironically
जब तक भाई प्रीमियर लीग के टॉप पे थे, फर्गसन बहुत कुछ कर सकता.
So the thing is, right now, you know how it is, because okay, now as ironical as it may sound, Mourinho is the only successful manager after Ferguson, Sir Alex left. ठीक है, जितना बैकिंग ओले को मिला,
जितना बैकिंग ओले को मिला, किसी को भी नहीं मिला.
Okay, चलो मोरिनियो को नहीं दिया, okay, you didn't really have great vibes, but इतना ही backing अगर if you had given to David Moyes also, I think he would have done wonders. He would have done, at least won them a league. Dude, look at what he's done with West Ham United, man, in a year and a half.
वही बोल रहा हूँ.
Look at what he's done.
Yeah, ओले क्या था वो तो ओले bought the again अभी क्या था वो तो because अभी कैसा था, everybody started hating the team so much, like it was like oh my god अभी टीम से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. They bought back the good factor,
good vibe, basically शांति लेके.
Oh my god, we bought United won the derby matches, we bought all
they did the double
वाला था ना, you could see okay this is the United way or the Ferguson way, वो सब लेके आ गए. उसके बाद then you understand कि okay good factor तो है, tactician नहीं है बंदा, like
exactly.
All these big players are there, like you got Ronaldo in the team, and then you have all
who's very big too. Yeah, that's what my point.
And then you have to tell Ronaldo कि तू ऐसा कर, तू press कर, and which is
you have to tell a tactic to Ronaldo,
or you have to tell a command to Ronaldo, a command to Ronaldo. तो तुम भी Ronaldo बोलता कि मैं ये दिख रहा तेरे को, ये दिख रहा,
ये 5 चैंपियंस लीग,
5 चैंपियंस, बैलन डॉर्स, ये सब है, तुम क्या जीते भाई बोलो.
बस
तुम एक गोल मारे तुम लास्ट 93rd मिनट पे,
99 का ट्रिपल,
क्या उसके बाद तुम कुछ करे क्या बोल के, मैं ये मेरे पोर्चुगल के लिए मैं पूरा मैं ही लेके गया
पोर्चुगल को मैप पे मैं लेके आया.
तो हाँ, तो जब क्या था वो तो जब at that point also, like just imagine when it was peak Barcelona, it was Pep who bought all this, like the biggest. Okay, again Pep had a great team, like he inherited a great team, like he started अभी like how, just imagine in the name of imagine the, let's go with the movie thing. अभी सत्या जो है, सत्या में एडीज के जो सत्या में जो एडीज थे वो लोग अभी ग्रेट डायरेक्टर थे, विशाल भारद्वाज, अनुराग कश्यप, ये लोग पूरे. तो आपका टीम ही ऐसा था. So when 2008 में जब टीम ही ऐसा था,
Xavi, Iniesta, Messi, Dani Alves, Valdez,
ये पूरे अच्छे प्लेयर्स थे, तो बनता ही था टीम अच्छा. Like, you know, it would have been again masterful tactician, we bought the best out of those players. तो ये है. अभी कैसा है वो तो neither these players are best, very frank, they are not the best. अभी कैसा वो तो either we need a coach who can take some उनको थोड़ा winning culture लेके आए वापस, or else we need थोड़ा money which we don't have right now. We don't have money, so that's a problem. And hello. So I guess there's a problem with Anil's connection here. Anil. Let's take a break. Let's call Anil. Oh my God. Oh. Mute. Yeah. Oh my God. Nothing. Yeah.
कोई नहीं. I lost power here. But anyways, like you were saying, so I am telling the same thing. Does Barca have that capability right now to at least win the Europa?
No.
Not even Europa.
No. थोड़ा तो कल का मैच देखकर तो लगा ही नहीं कुछ कर सकते बोल के. Maybe I am very harsh.
So what?
कल का match was like.
Okay.
But again, you don't know what can happen in Europa. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Maybe they can turn
So
around.
what do you think right now, if I ask you an honest question?
Right now, what?
As Barca fans, what do you think? What will define a successful season for us?
Okay, a successful season right now can be
successful. Matlab not letter on trophies or whatever. What do you think is a possible position?
Possible position will be at 4th or 3rd. If we get it.
If we make it top 4, then
very good, happy. Very insane session, the insane season wo hamara. Or else if we fight back तो 4 में होगा, because I don't know the other 3 teams. Like ऐसा भी नहीं है कि ये लोग 3 top teams है बोल के. So it has to be in top 4. If they get into top 4 this time, that means they have really done, like they are good, like change हो गया है बोल के. If they're in top 2, then I will wake up from my team.
That is very, very true of you to say. ठीक है, तो अब भाई, okay, now see, every team has taken some precautionary measure. Tottenham acted very fast. A lot of managers have been sacked. Like Premier League में तो managers have been sacked left, right, and center. There are already 5-6 managers who were sacked and replaced.
Yeah.
How is it now?
Yeah, it's right now. It's good.
Okay, so I was saying Premier League में every team has taken precautionary measures.
Right.
Like, they've sacked their managers, they've replaced everybody. There are 6 managers already sacked. अब अपना तो, are we still looking at a rebuild?
Yes. It will be like
not just the team, dude. Rebuild of not the team. I'm talking about finances as well. We are in a very big financial mess. Rebuild of the team.
If you talk about that, Vijay Mallya will be like very. Vijay Mallya will be very. He's in like.
He's king of good times.
King of good times. इसकी तो ज़्यादा मरी हुई है बोल के. So that's the thing. कि अभी season, like it has to be a rebuild. It has to be rebuild. And that will take a season.
Or else we have to hope that someone from Qatar using Savi's contacts come and take over our club and have a Middle East ownership.
Okay, अगर Middle East ownership आ भी गया, yeah, that can थोड़ा finance का थोड़ा कम हो जाता, but still we don't have the players. Players are the thing, players. Or we need a Russian coach. Russian people like Chelsea. do.
Or die. or die. Do or die.
Okay. Okay. I know this is like a long thinking. This is a dream only. Agar Zidane comes to
We need someone with a do or die.
just imagine if Zidane comes to Barcelona.
It's not even happening. That is not even happening. Let me be honest with you.
It is not happening.
Dude, that's not happening.
Okay, did you ever think in the start of this year? Okay, did you ever think in the starting of the year that Messi will leave Barcelona? Or rather forced to leave. So see, जो बार्सिलोना के साथ ये साल हुआ है, I don't trust God also for that. So, but still, as a team, as a as a fan, we are still hope. I am still hopeful that we are still hopeful कि कुछ हो जाएगा. They will, because dude, it's a Barcelona, dude. Like we are Barcelona, we are.
We are Messi on club.
We are Messi on club, so that will happen. So. Will not leave on a negative note, but we are still hopeful that we will come back.
So in conclusion, even I want to say the same thing, like what you said, Kibai. I think if we go for a top 4, like a proper thing, like we've always finished in that, and then nothing like it. Next year, fresh start, fresh signings. Let's give Xavi full backing.
Next, I am really saying, go if you can beg. Okay, if not Zidane, I know right now. Let's go to Simeone. Please come. Please.
He's not gonna come, bro. He's not
gonna leave his rowdies and come here.
Not at all. And not gonna leave his gangsters.
Dude, we need a gangster. We need a gangster. We need a Simeone kind
of play with school kids.
Like, oh my God, Jujubi. But internet.
So in conclusion, what would you want to say?
In conclusion, I would like to see Barca in the top 4. It is right now. It is 50%
possible.
50% possible. Because this team has won a lot of things in their life. So in their league. So like in their lifetime. So कुछ भी हो सकता है football में. So yeah, we have a half season still left. So I don't know if Europa. No, I have no hope over Europa as well. So, but I think if I want to leave it on a positive note, that we will come back. That's for sure.
We will
come back. We have
Forza Barca.
Dude. We have to. बहुत लोग. We were the best, dude. Like we cannot fall like this. सब हर
like
टीम का होता है. या हर टीम का होता है. इवन आर्सेनल का अभी भी ये लोग अभी भी 1000 साल से इनविंसिबल्स का अभी भी बोलते. 2004 में हुआ था. अभी भी ढकार मारते हैं लोग. अभी भी they are like we were the unbeaten. हो गया ना सर?
Unbeatables. हो गए भी 20 साल 15 साल हो रहे हैं.
Oh my God, वो हम क्या ही खेलते थे 2004 में. सर 2021 और 17 साल हो गए. सर please leave it. But
I think we'll have a shorter period of that kind.
Because देखो जो भी fans हुए थे हमारे को जो मालूम है ये they have seen Barca at their prime or coming at the age of prime like 2009 10
at least from that 7 8 9 10 11
that kind of a thing. So जब Barcelona if Barcelona was playing bad, that means semi-final में they have lost.
Yes,
that is how it was considered as a bad. So अभी कैसा अभी this is a true test, like how Arsenal का true test हुआ था, like और United का true test हुआ था, Chelsea का हो रहा था कि dude, at that horrible time when the players no everybody lost hope, fans were still there. So as a fan we are always with the team. So we will take अभी क्या है वो तो we have seen the decline from 2-3 years. But we will not lose.
Now we'll see the upward trend. Yeah.
इससे बुरा क्या ही गिरेंगे.
इससे बुरा क्या ही गिरेंगे. यूरोपा भी खेल रहे हैं.
So हम लोग खेलेंगे, हम लोग अच्छा जीतेंगे. And for the team, Forza Barca guys, Messi Club, we will come back. And that's it from our side. We're leaving on a positive note, not a negative note. Even though
yes,
अनिल के घर पे नेट चला गया है, पावर चला गया है और सब कुछ चला गया है.
But दिल में पावर है.
दिल में पावर है. Dilbar are still leaving on the good note that we will come back. And yeah, so that's it from our side from this podcast. It has been a lovely event.
Lovely catch up after quite some time to talk about football and all.
And please do follow, like us, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do with this channel. We will be very active for sure. We are trying to do something.
And next time,
yeah,
we are trying to, we'll be more, today's episode was more or less on completely Barcelona. Aage wala episode will talk more on Champions League and
now Anil has given
and the others, like
switching of the lights. Now it will be just his specs.
No. So in that, I would also like to conclude because I have limited, bandwidth and limited light. So no power, no internet. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. So please like, share, subscribe, and support our channel for more videos. Okay. Thank you and take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Have a good day, guys.